How are you? How are you? I'm good. You? I'm good. You? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. My name is James. My name is James. Could you repeat that again? Could you repeat that again? How much is this? How much is this? Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? I agree with you. I agree with you. Is there anything else? Is there anything else? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I don't understand. I don't understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? I will be with you in a moment. I will be with you in a moment. Could you please talk slower? Could you please talk slower? I've lost my phone. I've lost my phone. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Glad to help. Glad to help. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's interesting. That's interesting. How do I get to the bus stop? How do I get to the bus stop? I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. I don't think so. I don't think so. Can I say something? Can I say something? Most of the time. Most of the time. Where are you going? Where are you going? I've been busy. I've been busy. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? That's funny. That's funny. Let me check. Let me check. Pass me that. Pass me that. Hurry up. Hurry up. I really like that. I really like that. Would you like to play? Would you like to play? Let's talk later. Let's talk later. It's over there. It's over there. Take your time. Take your time. I think that's right. I think that's right. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. That makes sense. That makes sense. I love you. I love you. Are you joining us? Are you joining us? I would like a cup of coffee. I would like a cup of coffee. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. I'm confused. I'm confused. I need some sleep. I need some sleep. Say that again. Say that again. Close the window. Close the window. It's time to go. It's time to go. I'll be thinking of you. I'll be thinking of you. What's that noise? What's that noise? Look at that. Look at that. I don't mind. I don't mind. That would be great. That would be great. I haven't got any money. I haven't got any money. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. I won't be long. I won't be long. That's expensive. That's expensive. That's cheap. That's cheap. I need to speak to her. I need to speak to her. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? I need some help. I need some help. I don't want to get involved. I don't want to get involved. What time is it? What time is it? Is that enough? Is that enough? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I think about it all the time. I think about it all the time. I'll take another one. I'll take another one. Be careful. Be careful. Don't give up. Don't give up. Give me 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. You're right. You're right. You're wrong. You're wrong. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Come quickly. Come quickly. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Can you do me a favour? Can you do me a favour? Don't be silly. Don't be silly. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye.